Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display price with value added tax VAT or tax or without value added tax VAT or tax in single product pages using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page. Now you see price 33. So this price without VAT or tax. So we are going to display both version of prices in single product pages. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. So you can add title and then you see code preview. So we are going to add code. Now paste. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see text. Now you see we are going to display price include VAT or tax. Price exclude VAT or tax. Now you see tax with VAT, tax without VAT or tax. So you can add tax according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page and refresh the page. And then you see with VAT or tax price 36.30, without VAT or tax 33.00. Now you see both prices version for single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.